Hi! Hi guys, Sylvia here and welcome to my YT Empire Building AI Edition review. So YT, obviously YouTube Empire Building AI Edition review. Okay guys, so this is a product by Matt Garrett and Alex Copeland. Okay, it's not a new product, however it has been heavily and impressively updated and upgraded. It's an AI edition. Now the original course, guys, is okay, that's the members area, guys, and I'll show you around everything and your socks will be blown off to the moon, okay, if not Mars or if not Venus, depending on like whether you're a man or a woman. Okay, and let me stop there. Okay, I would go to Venus, for example, because women are from Venus apparently, right? So yeah, here is the AI edition, but if you click through this link, is going to take you to the non-AI, which you need to go through first, and there is this original training, which consists of 30 videos, 30, okay? So that's non-AI, all to do with, how to crash it, smash it, and take it to another level with your YouTube channel. And guys, if you're not on YouTube yet, then I would strongly recommend you get yourself on it, all right? Because video marketing not only is the future, video marketing is the thing now. Now, if we check the stats, okay, people prefer watching over reading, and I would say sadly, but it is what it is. Like it or hate it, it is what it is. The same with AI. Like it or hate it, it is here and it is here to stay. And to me, I mean, we could talk about pros and cons of that. And this is another subject. And, the dangers of it and all of that, endless discussions would be hanging in the air. Okay, but I'll leave it for now. What I would say, like, let's keep it real, yet we can use AI as an amazing tool. Okay, so that would be my approach. Right, and then so I got carried away and I lost my point as per usual. But back to the original point that this training was released some time ago by Matt Garrett, okay, 30 videos, and then it has been updated to this AI edition and all of the videos to do with AI would be by, what's his name again? Alex Copeland. And if you know anything about Alex Copeland, I mean, this guy has been on YouTube for well over a decade now. Guys, this is the sales page to this product. I'm going to show you the vendors' faces so you know who we are dealing with. But go check out the sales page below my review. I really would love to comment on the sales page. There's too much information and it's to the point. It's all honest and all of that. One thing I would not disagree with is okay, they say the headlines. Here's the exact step-by-step blueprint you need to help you build YouTube channels quickly and generate true sustainable income like clockwork. Totally agree with. YouTube is the platform to go to, okay? But they say get results fast, no monthly fees, no beginner, 100% beginner friendly. No monthly fees, of course, because YouTube is a free platform. Beginner friendly, yes. The training is very beginner friendly. Get results fast. What kind of results are we talking about? Anything that's of a true value is not fast, okay? You will need to work your, off, okay? To get results, and you have to be consistent and persistent and determined. Okay, I have been running my YouTube channel for well over 2 years, guys. It is, it is growing and all of that, but it takes time and consistency. So do not be deceived here that you will get some thousands of subscribers within a few weeks or even months. No. You will need to put in the work. However, with the right guidance, with the right mentor, you can achieve good results faster. So guys, I just wanted to show you the vendors' faces. So you see Matt, Garrett, you know, this vendor is amazing. I mean, he actually reached out to me as a vendor, as one of his affiliates. I mean, I wasn't his affiliate yet, but he reached out to me because he recognized, I mean, I guess, a nice quality of my YouTube channel. And he was like, Sylvia, if you ever have any questions to do with how to improve your YouTube channel, blah, 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 this or that, just let me know. You know, I would be so happy if you were promoting my products. Then I went on to check out his products. I was like, wow, the very, very good quality. I'll be more than happy, okay, to promote your products. So amazing. But Alex Copeland, so this guy has been on YouTube well over a decade. He's so full of knowledge when it comes to, you know, making it with your YouTube channel, guys. So you will be so well off with this training course. Now, I would love to comment on every single video. I mean, I have watched the video, even though I have been on YouTube for well over 2 years. I think I do know a thing or two about customizing the YouTube channel, optimizing for SEO, you know, how to do all of the description, title, keywords, all of that. I think I do know. If you check my videos, and if you have TubeBuddy, which is a free tool that you can spy on other people's, you know, videos and the keywords they use and stuff like that, you will see that my SEO score is almost always 100 or 95%, which is good. All right. So, right, I'm just going to show you what kind of videos you will have, and stay for the bonuses, which I'm going to offer for those who decide to pick up this product via the link below my review. So this sales page will be right in the description box, and we'll go through the funnel as well, so all will be explained to you. So I will leave no stones unturned, none. Okay. Now, going back to the members area of YouTube Empire Building AI Edition. So first you'd go through the non-AI. So as you can see, I'm scrolling through the videos. You'll have like all of the info, and the videos are nice. They're broken down into small sort of pieces of information, very like targeting a specific aspect in each and all of them, okay? What kind of videos, what kind of format. I mean, all is addressed that you need to know on how to, again, smash it with your YouTube channel. So plenty of videos, guys, 30 videos in the non-AI training and some additional videos, how to optimize your YouTube channel for traffic, how to use TubeBuddy that I have just mentioned for keyword research and ranking your YouTube videos. And these ones are longer, like 10 minutes, 8 minutes, how to rank YouTube videos with SEO. This one is 16 minutes, okay? And more videos, some checklists, for example, okay, let me just open up one of the checklists. So you have it in a PDF version as well. As you can, I love when the PDF is attached to the video training, because you have it all written down. You see, so you can go sort of back and forth, double check the information. And there is like more PDFs, you know. Now, once you have watched all of these non-AI videos, you then go to and access the AI training and Pictory bonus videos, here, okay? So Pictory, I guess. I'm sorry, it's this platform here, guys. And in short, it's an amazing tool. It's an amazing software that converts text to videos. It's truly AI, okay? You just put in some text, and this tool is going to create a mind-blowing video for you. It is a paid tool. It's not part of this training, so don't think that because they talk about Pictory, you know, you'll get it free here. No, you can get it via the link that will be somewhere here, but no, but no, as like it's not free. You will need to, after the free training, you will pay for it. And just sort of like to let you know about like maybe even a better and cheaper alternative to Pictory. You know, guys, I reviewed like a week ago, I believe, this product called Insta Keywords, which is a keyword research tool. Amazing, very good deal, amazing offer. And then a few days after that, I reviewed the audio number 2 of Insta keywords, which I was blown away by, because when I compared to Pictory, that tool, that video maker tool, was so impressive. And you may want to check out that one out, okay? Unless, just stick to creating your own videos for now. Then again, with my bonuses, I'll give you a leg up big time, okay? So you will be quite empowered to, you know, when it comes to even creating YouTube shorts. Here I have the bonuses with like how to customize your YouTube channel, how to edit your videos using free AI tools. So I'll talk about that later. And then I'll talk about something else, okay, how you can actually use copyright-free videos to create your YouTube videos using AI. I'll try, if I not forget, I'll try and cover that at the end of my review. Okay, so let me show you the AI part of this video training. So here you have it. Now, guys, this training course is, you know, in total 70 videos now, so 70, yes. And it is on a dime sale. It's around $15 now, I believe. We'll cover all of that. All of the price points, so $15, a dime sale during the launch, which is 5 days launch period. It has just been released, this upgraded version of YouTube Empire Building AI Edition, today on the 29th of June. I should have mentioned that earlier, but I'll talk about the funnel later. And 70 videos all together. Now guys, the AI part of it has been all done. All of the videos have been done by Alex Copeland. Okay, again, like extremely talented, and not just talented, but experienced guy when it comes to YouTube. I mean, he's been on there for many, many years, okay, and very successful. So it's the right person you want to learn from. And here are the videos, okay? So you've got the introduction, brainstorming ideas and niches, and you see you're using ChatGPT, using AI to do the brainstorming, and then you use AI to write your script, text to speech, you know, they'll talk about that, about the actual video creation, creating the thumbnail, creating your description, all using AI. About the SEO, so the titles, tags, and hashtags, and winding it up, so summing it up. And then bonus training will be 8 videos about this platform, again called Pictory, right? And just to be clear, it is not part of this training, okay? You can get a free trial. They'll have a link somewhere there inside of the members area, but after the free trial, you'll pay for this tool. Nonetheless, it's a great tool. So, you know, if you can afford it, if you want to use it, people love this tool. It's a great software, truly. It's like an awesome text to video converter. So, you know, they'll have some tutorial videos about Pictory, so that's all good. And then we'll have some bonus videos. So you see, you can get the free trial from here. And the bonus videos, which are like a massive, huge number of videos, the traffic bonuses are here. So let me open that up and show you all of the videos you get to do with traffic. And guys, again, I have been on YouTube for quite some time, yet I have learned so much, like new information still to do with how to get more traffic, and even like how to promote. They even cover the paid traffic, okay? How to create viral campaigns. I mean, as you can see, guys, many videos. It would be just mission impossible for me to cover all of that. And obviously, you see the PDF, 66-page master traffic guide here. Again, I'm not able to open everything up. What I'll say, I totally my recommendation. I mean, you know, heads off, you know, excellent quality for anyone who's serious about making it again with YouTube, smashing, crashing, and all of good stuff, okay? Good stuff. Let me drink some water because I think I'm getting dehydrated and I start talking nonsense. So if that's the right product for you, totally you can pick it up via the link below my review. You'll find this sales page there. Now here is the funnel, guys. The front end currently for the launch period, 5 days, okay, $15, get it. So worth it, okay? It's nothing for for all of the value you're getting here, truly. I actually do mean it, you know. And then OTO number 1 is simple, fast products, how to create products. Another mind-blowing training course for $27. OTO number 2, done for you blog setup for $147. So also do with WordPress, you know, all of the setup. OTO number 3, easy pro reviews, is actually a plugin, very cool plugin. Okay, you can use it for your WordPress site for $47. OTO number 4 is marketing and affiliate training. It's $17 monthly recurring, okay? It's like an ongoing training. OTO number 5, IM launch kit. So internet marketing launch kit for $47, how to launch a product and all of that. And then OTO number 6, product creation and launch mentoring for $297, quite pricey, but hey ho, guys, this is coaching, this is mentoring, it's never cheap. So $297, if that's for you, pick it up, okay? Now quickly let me show you the bonuses I have for you. So I thought like I would show you how to customize, and this is a video tutorial done by me, your YouTube channel. If you click through here, you're gonna be taken to my YouTube channel, and this video is, as you know, only available for my buyers. On YouTube is unlisted, you know, half an hour long tutorial on how to set up, optimize and customize your YouTube channel for top YouTube ranking. And check my videos, you will see that the TubeBuddy SEO score of my videos is either 95 or most of the time 100%. So I think I do know how to customize the YouTube channel, okay? So, and then for anyone who decides to pick up any of the upsells, I have an amazing like bundle of like training courses, all to do again with videos, YouTube shorts, video editing by Mark Hess, like very sweet and short, to the point training courses, excellent training courses, okay? I have bought them myself, and then I bought the giveaway rights to these training courses, and I give them all to you if you pick up any of the upsells. Here is the bundle. So you're getting this training course, effortless video editing, you're getting the ultimate Facebook traffic trick, very interesting training course as well, and you're getting the desktop vertical video training, and especially specifically this one I love because it shows you how to create amazing, mind-blowing YouTube shorts using your desktop. So not like you know, with your mobile, but actually you just from your desktop, yet still you can, you know, make them vertical, you know what I mean. So yeah, that's it. That's the bonuses, plus you're getting some awesome bonuses on affiliate marketing, traffic generation, email marketing, but I don't have the time to talk about these courses, which by the way kickstarted my affiliate marketing journey, okay? And you're getting them on top of just the front end, together with this tutorial of mine that I used some time ago for another product, but I reuse this tutorial again as a bonus because it just goes hand in hand with this product nicely, beautifully, so why not, okay? Now, I do believe I have covered everything, so yeah, totally recommend this training course. Massive value, you will love it. So much more here. Play around. When Matt gave me the review access, I was like, wow, where do I start? Because you get the weekly, so much more value you get here. So yeah, you will be well pleased. Okay. Right, so check out the sales page, and yeah, don't forget to drink water, by the way. You know, drink water because you water. Almost 80%. You're almost 80% water. Okay, I could talk about that, but that's for another YouTube channel. Guys, love you, leave you, and I shall see you soon. Bye.